We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twists of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rembo Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. Star Life.
I'm cooking pancakes. I love mandazi. Bread is my favorite. Donuts, mwah. Nurturing the world, one bite at a time. Yay!
Kama invite yangu haikufika on time, but I'm glad to be here anyway.
She was my rival, my competitor. We need to shut this business down.
Hii biashara ndo kila kitu kwenye hii familia. Nikufe ama nisikufe.
Kama mbaya, mbaya.
We ni mnoma sana.
One truth can break everything.
Sit tight.
Gavana wa Embu Cecily Mbarire ni akinyite mbere ya kamiti iria imurikaga utumiri bwa mbeca cia muingi aria gwiti gucokia bioria gukoni utumiri bwa mbeca kiri cibitari Kathumba kaunti-ini yawe. Kamiti izi ni itaririte kunganirwa ni machokio ja gavana Ojo na we gavana wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki akirigirwa gukinya mbere ya kamiti izi ntuku ya rujo.
Seneta baka mitia gusonkono tumiri bwake gina kirite ngonkora ni thirikari ja county ya Sepik na ile tongeretu ni seneta wa county ya Vihiga Geoffrey Osoti leo ni ele ithite kugwilo kwayo nyuma ya governor wa county ya Embu Cecily Mbarire gukinya mbele ya kamiti no muthenyo mde gucokia biole bikono no rungamiri no tungata bwa thibitari ja level 4 na ile ya level 5 county ni ya Embu kagita kala kwethiritu kuna mpathu gatigati kama seneta na kanjo ya magavana.
And thank you for cooperating with this committee despite the the issue you have been having with the COG. I think that is healthy that you yourself, you have been a member of this institution, can see that we don't have adversarial relationship between us and the counties. Our work here is to make your work better and to support you to be able to get the best out of the national government.
I just want to thank you, Governor, for appearing before us. We were very much worried when we were not having you come in, but now you have come. And I'm happy that I think with the effect from last week, we have been seeing governors now appearing before us. Even our meetings that we have planned this week, I think they are going to be honored. So I think we need to go that direction.
Kulingana na governor county ya Embu Cecily Mbarire, bota magavana thini yao nene kili kamiti ya CPAC na ile tongeretu ni seneta wa county ya Homa Bay Moses Kajwang na bakathi na mbere kuija kili kamiti wingi ja bunge ya Senate.
I think the Council of Governors pronounced itself very clearly about our concern, and our concern was with regard to the PAC committee, and so that's why we continue to come before all other committees of Senate.
Kireje Karoja Umde kamiti no niolidi governor county ya Embu kulidi gitumi county ya Embu etena mashinja kwigana amwe na rutwira bogi mabwa mwele kirithi bitari mweja county no amwe no tungata bogi mabwa mwele gwetukira mubango asha kiri county ya Embu.
From the governor, if the hospitals are having any challenges with the SHA payments, as in,
well, they owe us some money, almost 193 million, but she did promise me that we'll be able to get 91 million that has already been cleared for payment on Friday.
So I want to assure you and this committee that we are working round the clock to improve on the corporate governance of our facilities across the board.
vile gavana amesema wote wako hapa waende waangalie pahali kuna makosa waweze kurekebisha, na pia kwa Auditor General huwa naunga mkono kwa sababu tunaangalia pesa ya umma.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.
Rais Ruto muthenya jwana arua nekirite kirore watho bwa kigina kiria gikerekerwa kiri mirandi ya witi na mbere moroto jwa kigina gikene kwathura tiririoni 5.9 kurungamira mirandi minene iria ni amwe na kugithia mainda mainya waki bwa dame nene 50 to dam tunini ngiri imwe waki bwa kilomita ngiri 2,500 cia dual carriage na manto jangi Nkaboruto ni akenerete tagari akiwa ni untu bumwe buria bwari kiri manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza. Neli Kithenji na Nteto Iji.
Ni tariki kenda cia mweri jwa 3 mwaka jwa 2026 iri ntuko ya mwanya jande gorone ya Kenya bobote uge bwa kwaende ne uge bwa Rais William Ruto ni nyuma yawe kwethirwa agisaina bili ya National Infrastructure Fund gutweka watho itagari ugetereka eja na ugaruro kubonene mono kiri mirandi ya weti na mbere gitumi kiri atembilo ete komba kwethirwa kiojoria kanya gatigere gakigina kambesha baribari 5 trillion kenda gutigera ni bagukinyaniria mirandi minene ria baejanire ja mawirane mambura jaja ni jethiritwo jagikujirwo ni atongeria mwanya thirikari-ine amwe na akuria mwanya ja nthigurune na kinya ome ya nthiguru.
Today's moment therefore represents more than a creation of a fund. It represents a new chapter in how Kenya finances its future. A chapter where we invest at scale in the foundation of a first world economy, transforming agriculture through extensive irrigation and water infrastructure, expanding modern infrastructure, including roads, rail, ports, airports, and logistic corridors that connect our farms, factories, and markets, and scaling up reliable energy to power industry, innovation, and value-added production across our economy.
On behalf of the World Bank Group and my own institution, the International Finance Corporation, it's a true pleasure to join you in celebrating the enactment of the National Infrastructure Fund Act, a milestone that signals fresh momentum in Kenya's journey to meet its infrastructure needs. Infrastructure is not simply roads or power plants, as you know. It's the platform that allows economies to function, encompassing transport, energy, digital connectivity, as well as the regulatory frameworks that sustain them.
Some of us first heard about this fund, I believe, during your State of the Nation address in November. And then you talked about it quite more during the Jamhuri Day celebrations. So it's good to see a journey of 5 trillion, as you called it, starts with a few billion. And here we are. But I must say, it actually starts with your signature, what you just did this morning.
Rais Ruto agitariria uguni bwa itagaria rere na Minister wa Kigena John Bandi agitariria mathina bethirito bagikurukira ja kimbesha.
But why did we propose the National Infrastructure Fund in the first place? Because of the scale of the challenge before us, there is need for a new approach.
We are spending close to 27% of our expenditure, total expenditure, in supporting education in this country. Yet, you still hear complaints that we are not supporting education enough.
Today, I am pleased to announce that the expansion of the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport will be the first major project financed through this new model of financing under the National Infrastructure Fund.
Kanyene Kawero TV, Mbeta Nele Wakethinchi. Igambare akuregana no chindi bwaleo wa muthende kiri ithurano binini bia mwaka muthirune ikiambirite na arwa kotini nene ya Embu. Igambare riria rikitwe ni Newton Karish na kuthitanga IEBC ririorota mutaratara jwa uringi kura mawakili ba Karish bakiuga ni jwaregiuta tena mendekithia za katiba na mawatho ja ithurano. Rita Mwaniki na Nteto Nkuruki.
Cira uria uri igoti rinene ria Embu wa kuregana na kithurano kia mumbunge wa gicigo mbunge kia mbere iguru ni wambiritie muthenya wa umuthi. Cira uyu utwaritwe igoti ni Newton Kariuki uria warwagira giturwa giki akiregana na kuthurwo kwa Leonard wa Muthende ariwe mumbunge wa gicigo mbunge kia mbere iguru. Cira uyu urathikirwo ni Njanji Richard Mwongo na baria ruvonge rwa IEBC wanaruo rugwetetwo muno ni undu wa kuremwa kurugamirira kithurano kia na waragania. Cira uyu wagirwo korwo uthikiriritwe na kwamurwa mbere ya mieri 6 kuthira. Guko Newton Kariuki ari na ivoya ria kura ino gukorwo igitarwa ringi niguo kumenyekane uma wa uria wacindire kithurano giki.
But Your Honor, in the absence of a manual register, everywhere in all the polling stations were not during that election. Which polling station should we say that this was not fair? In fact, it will be likely that we count the votes in all the polling stations so that we are able now to compare what passed through the kings vis-a-vis what is in the box.
Guku wendi munene wa Newton Kariuki ari kithurano kiu gutesanirwa akiuga ruvonge rwa IEBC ni rwaremirwe kurugamirira kithurano giki uria kuvatie kuringana na watho. Kariuki ni uragwe kwari na mavitia mengi monekanie thiini wa polling station ngurani taikia kura amwe gukorwa matari registered. Wagu Kariuki ni uraruta mavitia mbara iria aumire thiini wa polling station ngurani akiugaga ino yari njira ya kuya kura ciake na guciikira mwena wa Muthende. Wauguo ni urauga kwari na kuvakana kwa ikia kura na njira nene makiria ni kiama kia wa Muthende kia UDA.
Yes, because as I have repeated, there's no polling station in better not being done by election where we had a manual register. You could not verify where we voted. First is a vote, but to know the truth of what happened or what transpired, at least an count.
No ati mwena wa Muthende utongoretwe ni wakiri ndagitari Adrian Kamotho ni utesaniritie mama monthe makiuga kithurano kiari kiama na waragania. Mwenari wake wakiri wa IEBC niwe Charles Mwongela wanake ni urateterera ruvonge rwa IEBC akiuga ni marugamire kithurano kiu na njira ya ma na waragania. Cira uyu urerigirwo ukathi na mbere muthenya wa rucio baria aira makiria magakora magitonya mbauri. Ngiripotera Wero TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, Mbetagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Itura ria thirurujine muthenya Jwanarua ni bamukirite ACC wa mbere buru kuma gicigo kiu kirandikithwa. Mambura jajane za kinyini mubunge wa Igembe Central Dan Kele bathingatene na County Commissioner wa Meru bakiuga bari na weregero ukaria bukathingatirwa. Dennis Mugendi ni akujirite mambura ja.
Ewithiritwe iri ntukwinene kiria kariba athiruji ne Igembe Central bakiamukirwa imubunge wao Ndani Kiri ACC umwe wa division Njeru tunandi DCC Laura Kendonde ekirite kirore akiuga ni bamukirite mabisa bonde bare bakwendekana vivi aligwiritie akariba baingi wa mwena MC wa Wandije Julius Kabira.
Tunashukuru sana mheshimiwa wetu MP. Nilikuwa ninaangalia zile ofisi ambazo zimeweza kuwa operationalized tangu aingie ofisini. Saizi niko na OCPD, niko na DCIO, niko na AP Commander, niko na Ngapu Commander, niko na Anti-Stock Theft Unit, niko na KWS, niko na NIS. Sikupigia mheshimiwa makofi.
kwenu ili tuweze kushirikiana, ili tuweze kufanya kazi pamoja.
Andu ba meru nendo bwira atiri ibo ambathire mubunge na ndabwira nkabulitira ngui na dinabo wanu ta no nkabulitira ngui ngui ngobulitira 2028 ne ndira ba mpere 2022 kuni ando koya mundu akabulitira ndo murera ndo yake mimi ndio nileta DCC wale wengine si walikuwa wanaongea mdomo tu. Hii inaitwa Kiambu sub county, iko kubwa sana, haina division za kutosha, na sasa hii nimechukua hatua. Adero nimekuta iko na division ilikuwa gazeted 2017, lakini wandoa kwa wote wengo muona wandoa kwa wao tai na wengu obo wanelia baba alikomenda kuona kwenda siku mwe ndio yonde kenda ndio to kutana watingi kwa kilima endeleo uinde yenda itanga ndebu wea adero twena division dai na twena mashuo bana matatu isa sawa kawero ipande ke kawaroa ya wetia uondie kawero ba uondi ke dia yo na msie uona adero na bana msio wao leko kenda kawero na to na division ito kwa tena na bana ndio uonye leko division future ile ndio ya ndio sub county
kamera imi long term now we been there that is oinde ndoeko agelewe
Dani Kiri aberete atubathithiria gwitina mbere ni untu bakithurano kijite ariuga uria kuonera itini mubunge wa ugatene kubaikirengo uria kuyasemete indi namenye bakamwenja utakawithire kithurano ni kijite
kore muntu urambereria kweya kono aetwera gavana ntwathingia tena ngiraundi ndemwera ne batwe ngiraundi engavana mutumo ntwathingia
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, Adhero Jene, Gembe Central, County ya Meru.
Minista wa roje thirikari-ini ya Meru wakili Baptista Kanyaru ni akinyite ntere chia ntalami wodi-ini ya Kianjai kuruguria wenji bwa kithima kenda gutetheria thina chia roje ntere iji. Kanyaru akuthingatene na mabisa bangi bagitumi ario abisa munene rwa ng'inero rwa roje. John Thega katumenyithie.
Ibu Minister wa mantu maruye thirikari-ini ya kaunti Meru no Baptista Kanyaru amwe na Chief Officer wa mantu maruye thirikari-ini ya kaunti Meru no Mutuma Kangote beginyire ntere Kilemi na ilele wondi ya Kianjai kenda gutura kithima kia ruye rura rwithiritwo ri kinyamara kinene kiria kariba ntere ino
rwaritu ya tukinja bowl area nontu ni area mwe ira chithite china thine rui sana na mheshimiwa area Ken Naibae bakarite nthi na gavana etu Mutuma Ntwethia batwiranirie mwera tubatirite utethia na rui aibu nturu aritu ya wakikisha nture Kilemi ikuona rui through kwenja bola au kenda yumba utethia institution ichi ya ngui twemirita na yumbikanite nontu gavana iba ukaranthi na mheshimiwa na bakabanga mantu yo na batu turu officers ba department rui batu tuma batu ritu yetu injira antu barui
so inkoromba antu banture nabo tole kyo benjira mbo ina to bandirova tafadhali pome manage bwega tukeya na structure ya kuform management committee antu bara community ya chala bamenyera mbo iba miyukie na njira yeteyo na baya community heshima na bamenyere na nkiromba anya wananchi nabona ara kwena mbows muno na atwe na mbows ito datwe na water kiosk na itona ari mo water kiosk maybe taps ira twekirite kana control ira kana solar ira rimwe imunyike ya vandalize kana ikaiwa inkoromba antu beto na bakari into biao antu ba community na nyo tongere bro ketha wimbo na bakari into biao
inara muno gwakaria babataithite nkena cio kumana na Kenyamara bethirite ba Kenyamara kumania na gwagibwa ruje ntere go ino
tora ine thirite ina thine rwe na ibethirite bachumburite muno mheshimiwa na bae muromba ontuko abaretere rwe na itokona na etereke gavana na kwaria noe na kumba baretera rui iboya sana ki gavana mutuma twethinge no tubangataniro
na ibae ndamusumburite muno otio ndereya kwara reta kamuchemanio ngaitanga kumwira we na ibae murongo ibo ndamwira lakini ndenda kuona ibae te murongo no tubagwatanira na gavana wetu
thirikari ya county itumicokeria nkatho na itukua thirikari ya county tugetha tumiwete njara bau bakuira kubatira turua batu twendene community na iriri tutina kanya kote ita nabo bila tukwenda ndene kilemi turenda maendeleo
ontwinde amwe no gubene rombarire kire baraba gwikira ciaca abantu ni megeni na mirandi yothi na mbere kire thirikari ya county ya Meru
batu tutikwenda county ireterwa ciaca no ntubura kethira nurarari kuo uraithaira ikuo utebua bwithia bura tukona maendeleo ya kona thai baraba kuya ciaca ibara bendrete kuria na bendra kwithelera bongwa batendra kona kethira common man aona into.
So Mr. Kangote, through your effort itukumenya no tukumenya ntore no kumenya thina cietu matu turua ngavana 2 term na inyenda 3 term na inyenda itomwetia yona rwero rokibura utoriterete ngwe kende yona nyawe no muritera ngwe
kiripotera ndo cha Weru kuma ntere cha Kilemi wandi ya kianja giciko bunga tigane West mbeta wa John Thiga
turi gutiga twiguchemithia mwago jwa mubango jwa tuthunkume juria jwizagira ntuku cionthe cia kiumia kwambiria thaa 4 cia rukiri mwanka thaa 7 ureteri ni ritwa ni Maureen Kinya monanirio twa mathithio ni Purity Richard.
Birthday ya kijana yetu. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
How are you, sir? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning too.
Wewe kijana, amka, vijana wengine wako kazi bwana, gai.
Kwa tika ndoto cia kuno kulia tiru marare vijana bangi bengoge.
Wewe amka, kwani ulilewa jana wewe?
Tika ndoto cia uko sawa?
Mimi niko sawa.
Tia kwa dio weka bumuita na ara.
Sasa wewe unatukanana kwa nini bana gai? Ulikuwa kanisa?
Kana abantu leo ngogitera dimoda inu ambangala tania rukiri.
Si ulikuwa kanisa jana?
Ndio.
Si ulikuwa church jana?
Atika kwa yitwe inanya mwire vita na church igoro. Ukira.
Umeamka?
Abu mkulu.
Oh.
Abu ndiaro.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Supu. Happy birthday to you.
And then better. So tiyo kwa kunya ulire yete kumera bwega. So kera ya mwicho.
Heri njema kwako. Heri njema kwako. Heri njema ya kuzaliwa. Heri njema kwako.
Aka rodo meta Kiswahili. Sio sauti ya pia kawaida tigara ndatu nyingeka mtoadio. Thank you.
Supu. Ole alia wakagwe.
Unene rukoka wira. Agutiga mantu zaku munene. Agatiga mantu zaku. atiga iwi tumunene ito mpaivi chote thina ukomere gutumite distract maisha yakwa ntumamenyora mbere rwangiri mano thina kaite ngugi
iba igeru
Kendri kiria untigerie
he mulinda thomete nya Kiswahili
ugunya chugeri njema
Kiswahili ndale ai
okay sasa utie kwigwa na hata kuzite sauti
ha supu
namba yemereko munene
na studio cha Wero FM
ngugene murume otise na yitwa ukie tu ngugene
no menyo were ndio na nokona TV ni ogoro
munene
tio mbere nja ya mwari uma